Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the ODRVM Action Camera. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. But before the video gets started, I just do have to say the unboxing will not be narrated just because it's just pretty straightforward. Yeah, let's get to the video. So first off, let's talk about the build quality. So overall, the build quality on this camera is pretty good. The front has a nice matte finish which looks and feels nice, and the sides of it, they feel nice too. The screen, that's good. The only thing that I don't like about this camera's build is the buttons. They just feel chintzy. Now let's talk about the specs. So first off, let's talk about the battery. It comes with two 1.005 mAh batteries. It can take 16 to 32 GB SD cards. It can take 12 megapixel photos, and it can shoot at 720p and 1080p at 30 frames per second. And it has a 170-degree lens. It has tons of different shooting modes: time-lapse, motion detection, car mode, cycle record, diving mode, and a 4x zoom. And it comes with a phone app that's super easy to set up. So what do you guys think? Is it worth $40? I'll let you choose. Okay guys, so that was the review. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be playing the video from the camera now, so just sit back and enjoy.